Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a link in Instagram bio. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. As you know, link in bio refers to the clickable URL that users can see on top of their Instagram profile, and when they click on the link, they will be taken straight to the desired website or something. This URL can be product page, landing page about a section, etc. How to add link on your Instagram bio is so simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. As you can see on my Instagram bio, there's no link. I haven't add any link on my bio. Now you can tap on your profile. You can see there's an option add link. You can tap on that. You can add your profile, your Facebook profile, or if you want to add external link, you can tap on add external link. Here's the title, maybe like your YouTube channel or your website, anything you can enter on this page. As example, I will like this, but I will copy the link first. Now you can add the title. After you add the title, you can write the link. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the checklist over here. And I can go back. You can refresh the page and here we go. You can see there's the link on your bio. So that is how to add link on Instagram bio. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!